Hi, thanks for stopping by the Moots setup at the 2021 ENVE Builders Roundup. 2021 is a very special year for Moots. We are celebrating 40 years of handcrafting bicycle frames, all in Steamboat Springs, Colorado. If you notice towards the front of the bike, we've got a special head tube badge to mark that occasion. For every bike that we build and deliver in 2021, each bike gets this special 40th edition head badge, which we're very proud of. The bike in front of us is called the Womble. It's named after an ENVE epic trail in Arkansas. And what it is our take on a modern day mountain bike. Slacker head tube angle, about 67 degrees, and a steeper seat tube angle with a longer front center. Built around a 140 millimeter travel fork. This bike is just as fun to ride uphill as it is downhill. You'll also notice on the bike we've got a curved seat tube that allows us to keep that rear wheel tucked up under the rider. The chain stays on the shorter side for a quick, nimble, and lively ride. In the tube set, top and down tube are special double-butted tubes that we've had built just for this bike. Big diameter, thinner wall, that'll give us the stiffness and strength that we want to handle that 140 millimeter length fork. You'll notice also on the bike we've got a very nice looking camo anodized job, and we call that Hunter, and that's done in-house right at Moots by our Finnish team. And then for this show we also did a very special custom ENVE sticker set for the wheels. It's a nice little touch to tie it all together. So that's it from Moots. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you out on the trail.